because maybe you don't really feel that.
And now people call you a celebrity.
Even if you may not accept it because maybe you don't really feel that effect, but somebody out there, they look up to you. Like my sister was saying how she looks up to you. She's right there. Yeah. So you can imagine from just being a person in the supermarket and now to being this person like people look up to get inspiration from. What does that really make you feel like? Like you're not just impacting your own life, but other people look back and see like, what do you think about that?
It makes me feel like nothing is impossible.
Yeah.
Really, nothing is impossible.
Yeah.
And, hard work pays.
Hard work pays. And actually, I really like you too because you put a lot of work out there. Sometimes I always say, I don't have people subscribing my channel because maybe they know me. I want people to subscribe because they see how much I put my work out there. And that's what I always see. I used to tell my sister, like, for example, she asks me a lot of things and I would ask her, do you see Miss Trudy doing this type of videos you're doing? Oh, my sister is still in the show.
I was there sitting there and I felt I should just explain it.
Yeah.
So my brother used to tell me, you know what, I'm far away from home.
Yeah.
And at times I'm so busy. So if you feel you have a question, go check it on YouTube. Then look at what Miss Trudy does.
Yeah.
The type of videos she makes.
Mara was using his
Any other person Mara has ever told me, look at this YouTuber from Kenya, she does ABC.
Yeah.
She'll only tell me, just see what.
I appreciate your work, actually. I really appreciate your work, like, in a very honest. And my sister is here as a confession.
Yeah.
And you see now what I'm trying to say, Miss Trudy, is you're inspiring young girls like my sister here. Now she's actually growing on YouTube. But you see, all this inspiration came from you. So I also want to tell you, anytime you're making videos out there, just know it's not about maybe you anymore.
Yeah,
it's about the
that's
society.
Why I realize that's why I like ending most of my videos telling people nothing is impossible.
Yeah.
Because I really want to encourage people and inspire people.
Wow. It feels so good, even me when I'm out there as a Kenyan blogger and I see Miss Trudy right there also flying our flag. The wife, I don't want to bring too many people in this. I don't like actually talking about this story because they bring me back to my past. I don't like talking about my past. But to cut the long story short is my sister was rising so fast on YouTube. That is a fact. And in my own opinion, I feel like some people didn't feel very comfortable with my sister from like nowhere, And so they used to do it. They one time did a collabo, my sister and the wife.
Yeah, we've seen.
Then after that collabo, so when you do collabo, sometimes videos get suggested to each other. Like if you watch this comes next. I think it's a perception. I'm not sure now. The guy wrote on the comment of the girl, of the wife, like, I hope they don't copy you, babe, like they always do.
Oh yeah, there was an online perception that
My sister
Diwango
is
is
copying
copying Miss Trudy.
Yes. But I can easily tell you it's because my sister was rising so fast. So some people felt threatened.
But that one was online. It was between the fans.
Yes, but if it's between the fans and we depend on the fans, that is actually between me and or us. Because without us, the fans can't show up. So once that became, and everybody in the comments was like, yeah, we know her, it's that girl, it's the Mwango and the day. So I had to defend my sister. I'd say, no, bro, you didn't like to work with me. Now you've reached a point you want to make my sister feel timid to make videos. Because if already somebody says you're copying them, you know what they're trying to tell you is anytime you hold a camera, you have to think about them. Like, wait, I hope this does not look like them. So it's kind of cutting your legs. Actually, it's a very tough way of speaking. If somebody tells you, hey, stop copying me, it means your next video, you have to think, hey, this video, does it... You know what I'm saying? And there's nothing new on YouTube. So even that's one of my main reasons my sister stopped traveling in Africa. I told my sister, hey, sister, leave this Africa alone. People here are already saying, we have a whole world. Go. So now she does outside Africa.
At any point, did you guys ever talk and maybe solve your issues?
No, we don't.
Until now, you've never talked?
Yes, we don't. Yes. And we have no bad blood with them. We wish them all the best. And as human beings, you can't have everybody as your friend in your group. And the beauty of what we do is, your bread is your bread. My bread is my bread. Why won't you say, oh, this I'm copying you or doing this? It's my bread, And there's nothing new on YouTube. Anything they do, I do, you do. Somebody else did it a long time ago. It's only that maybe it doesn't sound the same, it doesn't look the same, but the idea is purely the same. Yes.
So you mean you don't have like anything against?
I am one guy who I can't hold that, because I know if I hold things like that, I block my star. I believe my star does not like grudges, does not like things like that. My star wants freeness, openness.
That's where your star is going
That's how I
down
shine.
tomorrow.
The moment I start thinking, oh, they are passing me or they are doing this, I can't concentrate on my star. Yeah, that's not me. Even my sister, I teach her the same thing. I tell her, sister, just do your own thing. And I think maybe this year my sister will be, just wait and see. And it's not a competition. It's going to be one of the biggest travel African black women who travel around the world with numbers in terms of numbers. Because she's very close to the girl who they said she used to copy. Yeah, so. And your bread is your bread. I have to insist on that. Yes.
Okay.
Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. I just want to react to this video to let you guys know. In Jamaica, we say back and belly rat. Every liar is a thief. Every liar is a thief. Family. So I just want to let you know that, family, that as you can see in this video, I'm not going to say anything because this is a cat fight. I want to let my wife deal with it.
You want me to deal with who now?
Yeah, let's deal with that that comment.
Oh, the one for Tigress.
Yeah.
Hey.
Not with Tigress, but as you can see in this case, he actually advised his sister to copy Miss Trudy. Anything she do, you do. And now he come back and say, you know what I mean, the sister almost to pass out Miss Trudy and he can't wait for she to pass out Miss Trudy.
You know, there's a thing we say here. Your words are still biting you.
Yeah.
You know? So you've said you don't concentrate on people's stars.
Yeah.
Because of course everybody's stars shine differently, right?
Yeah.
So if you're saying you don't want to concentrate on somebody else's star,
yeah.
See, then you keep minding your own business.
Yeah.
Because I don't see the point why you'll tell somebody we're looking up on you, whatnot. But maybe at that time, maybe they didn't have the subscribers they have right now.
Yeah.
But there's a thing we say here in Kenya or in Africa, I don't know. You see, when somebody was down there and you are up, and then you uplift them.
Yeah.
Now when they reach at that point, they're like, do I even need you?
Yeah.
Do I even need you?
Yeah.
But you're always forgetting, in this world we need each other.
Yeah.
You can't make it by yourself.
Yeah, I have to understand family. Let me show you that almost people are family. You know, you should never, no matter if you come from zero and you reach 1 million, the person who bring you from 0 to 1 million, you should always give credit to that person. And never try to actually, even if that person is still stuck at 50, you say, this person helped me to be a million. And that's how you give gratitude and give people them flowers. Because I remember when she come to Ghana, she was like at 60,000. And she left Ghana with like 90 to 100,000. And from after that, everything started to pick up. You know what I mean? And Mara doesn't even know that is the influence that I actually influence her to do a lot of things.
Well,
you know what I mean?
I'm very sure whoever the supporters and these funny reactors, let me call them funny because to me they're funny. I'm sure they'll be like, what did you do? No problem, you can go ahead and talk whatever it is that you want to say. A mouth with saliva, of course, can say anything. So anyway, what I was saying is, once somebody uplifts you, keep giving them that credit.
Yeah, of course. No matter if you reach 1 million or 1 billion, keep giving it to them. Yeah, and that's true. That these people are so, you know what I mean? You know, I mean, when I talk about the situation, people say I shouldn't talk about it.
In fact, by the way, yesterday night, I wanted to tell you, when you make a video, I'm going to say this. And now, because we are doing it, I'm going to say it. You people are attacking my husband, saying, jam to us, stop talking, what. Let him talk. Keep talking, boo-boo.
Yeah, right? And that's the thing,
sweetie. Keep talking. Even if you feel like starting right now to talk about Dimwango, what she did to you, keep talking. When somebody is angry and when somebody did something bad to you, you have the right to express yourself. So keep talking. And those people saying, you wait for Diana to leave the country so that you can talk. I don't know where that madness came from.
I don't know where that madness comes from, see, because the reason why I want to stop talk is that's the reason why I take them to court. I take them to court, they didn't show up, and they even block my attorney. So that's to show you that these people don't want to actually comply not even with the law.
And people are forgetting also. People are forgetting that once we are dealing with something on our side, we don't talk. And maybe it's coincidentally, it's called what? What?
Yeah.
Like opposite.
Yeah, because good have to
So maybe
counter
at that
evil.
time, when us we are dealing with our thing, Diana is in the country.
Yeah, and I feel like she's gonna come, so I'm waiting.
And that's her own problem.
Yeah.
And by the way, sooner or later, it's coming.
Yeah, and
Sooner or
people
later
should
it's
understand
coming.
that this is like a civil
So
case.
you people attacking my husband, keep talking, let my husband talk. Boo boo, if you feel like finishing this video and starting another one on Dimango, talk.
Yeah, and people
It's a
should
free
understand
world.
that
It's
this.
a free world and people have the right to express themselves.
Yeah,
Okay?
people need to
If
understand.
somebody, me, I keep repeating that story that I normally say, that somebody did something bad to me. I keep talking, talk.
Yeah.
In fact, talk.
Yeah, and people need to understand that this is a civil case. So the longer this case is all up, is the more money I have to pay. Because this is a civil case. So if
Some
they're not
people
turning up, for
Yeah.
court to resolve the issue, then now I have to use up more resources now to force them to actually refund me my money.
But then yesterday,
So
I
the
was
longer I
happy.
take with the situations, the more money it will cost me out of my pocket to get this thing resolved.
Yesterday I was happy. I'm telling you, I read African Tigress.
Yes, family. So I want to talk about African Tiger situation,
She
family.
didn't even throw a shade.
And I'm gonna put all of the comments here for you to see what happened.
Hey, African tea, kudos to- Hey, you know that girl is so intelligent
Yeah.
and learned.
Yeah.
African tea.
Yeah, African Tigers
didn't
never,
drop out,
nobody
but
never
they-
actually influenced her to drop out and go do YouTube. And more need to understand this.
And by
That
the way-
for you to travel and look sophisticated, you have to have a profession. You cannot go
African
around traveling, say he's a YouTuber. Get any man from out of the world can take up a camera and start make something unique and get 1,000 views. And when you go out in the street, you're a fool. Because you have nothing to show and you say he's a YouTuber. Immigration don't respect YouTuber. You feel like immigration respect YouTuber?
Who
Hell
respect-
no.
You know, by the way, I was saying to
So when
myself
it's-
last time, you see this girl, actually, what is even that her name? D. She should come out and show the papers that she graduated. Look at African tea. Did you read the grammar? Did you see the English?
Wow.
That girl doesn't even repeat herself. Not like some people who just lift cameras and just be
Catching
talking,
for
talking,
words.
looking for words. Guys, I'm so humble. I'm so humble. I'm so blessed. Even us, we are blessed. We are not talking about it, but then we are so blessed. You
Yeah.
understand? So we are not talking about it. But I was so impressed by how she really
she
threw it.
articulated
Because I'm saying to
herself.
myself, Tigress is getting visas that some people, I don't think some people will ever even get such visas. But even if they do, Tigress has gone there fast.
Yeah.
You see?
And she never get there. She never go to immigration and beg and cry.
No,
and say,
no,
oh, I'm
no,
a
no,
vlogger
no.
and
I'm
all
a
kind of
YouTuber,
thing.
I'm
I have to pull up.
YouTuber.
I have to pull up bank statement and show how much money I'm making on YouTube and all kind of
Tigress.
madness.
My
And
dear,
that's the
keep
thing.
going.
And that's the thing. So them are gonna realize that, you know what I mean, hopping on a plane and walking in the street showing people, you know what I mean, is nothing. People not learning anything from what you're showing. There's nothing you're showing that
Lifting
people.
your camera,
can-
showing us the streets, not
Yeah.
saying nothing, showing us naked people in the beach. What's that?
What's that?
You
You
see?
know what I mean?
So, I was so happy about Tigress, eh? I was so happy about Tigress. And by the way, congratulations that everybody in their house has graduated.
Yeah.
Not like, but then, you know, it's so bad to go to university. It's so bad to go to university, and then you waste the whole 3 years. You don't even have nothing to show, and all you have to do is go recite your exams.
Yeah, and I tell you that maybe the sister would have finished her studies, but it's the brother. The brother forced her to follow his footstep, and we're gonna see. We're gonna see
Tigress to the world.
how far it will carry her. We want to see how far it will carry her, you know, because she's following the brother. And that's the reason why when I come and I talk about the brother is the cause of all of this.
The other day, that friend of the other one said she didn't get a visa to go to Nigeria. She said where they wanted to go.
Obviously, because
She
I was
made her
there when
own-
she was trying to get to Nigeria. She never get the visa, obviously. And
Hey,
she's been trying
Tigress.
forever.
Tigress, keep going, my dear. You see? Yeah.
Yeah, family. So this is Jam Tours Africa. I want you to check out the merch, family. Check out the merch and actually like, share, and subscribe to the video. Comment, let us know your thoughts. And you know, I mean, share this video tomorrow and let them know that, you know, we will never stop react. I'm gonna drop one as you know, my content is more family video.
Keep dropping them.
And I'll be dropping a reaction video every day.
Yep.
Every single day.
Every
I'll be
day.
dropping something on that boy.
And there's nothing you
and
do
the sister
about it.
until, because the thing, you know what, the reason why I'm doing this with you know is that you see, once I get them in court, so you see the reason why they sent me that fake document the last time, because I didn't have an attorney.
Oh, and by then,
so now I have an attorney now. If they send me a new document, it's them and my attorney gonna deal with it. So it's a way to actually get them in court until they pay. You know what I mean? That is a way to deal with it. Because you know what I mean, they can't actually, you know what I mean, you know, running from the law.
African tea is in London.
Yeah. And I'm sure she's gonna go to a country next. She's gonna surprise them with a country that they will never, you know what I mean.
It will be a shock to their
all of them say they
class.
want to go to that country and they will never reach.
Yeah, let's wait.
Yeah, family. So this is Anke Roo from Jam Tours Africa. I want you to like, share, and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Get your peace, get your love, get your sunlight,
and
merch.
check out African tea.
And check out African Tigress.
Yeah.
And you know what I mean. And we are out. One love, Jamaica.